All right, so you have heard Miss Carlton on the announcements talk about the app. The app is coming. So what does that mean? Well, she's talking about the PBIS Rewards app for students. So you will be able to log in and see how many points you have and start spending those points. So the first thing you are going to do is whatever device you have and whatever app store you have, you're going to go ahead and get into that. So I'm using my daughter's Android phone, so we have Google Play. So when you get to your app store, you're going to search in the search box, and you can see I've already started searching for it, the PBIS. And once you start typing in PBIS, you should see a list of apps. You're actually going to choose the PBIS Rewards Student app because you're a student. So you're going to click on that. All right, and once your list of apps comes up, you're going to choose the PBIS Rewards Student app, which is this one right here at the top. It may not be the top on yours, so just make sure you're paying attention. It's the one with a graduation cap in the bottom right-hand corner. And so you're going to click on that and go ahead and install. All right, so we're going to go ahead and open the app. You can choose the get back out of that and go through the shortcut that has been added on the home screen. So once you get the app open, you're going to have to click on here and go ahead and type in your go ahead and click on there and start typing in McClure. Sorry, these fingernails and these little bitty screens. McClure. And then once you start typing in a few letters, you'll go ahead and choose McClure Middle School from the top, and make sure before you click enter school that it says McClure Middle. This is the one we want, so we are going to enter the school. All right, so this is where your ID label that you should have received in the last week comes into play. So the ID label is has your name and your grade, and in the bottom right-hand corner of your label, there's a tiny QR code. That QR code is your unique QR code, and it's going to help you log in. So we're going to go ahead and click the green square, and then we're going to let them let your phone know that we allow your camera. All right, and the QR code that I'm actually using is Noah's. He is no longer at McClure, so he's my guinea pig. So I'm going to go ahead and scan this QR code. All right, so once you scan your QR code, then you should see a screen with your name on it. And then you can go ahead and start looking at your point balance. So obviously Noah has a balance of 0 because he is no longer here, but hopefully when you download your app that you already have a balance and that you are working toward being able to purchase items from the teacher store and the school store. So your balance would be here. How many points you earned for that day that you are looking at your app. The period is not like what we would know as like 4th or 5th period, but it's actually the quarters of the school. We have 4 quarters in the school year. And then how many you have earned to date. All right, so your balance will be located up here in the top. And then once you start purchasing items from the classroom, you would go through the teacher stores tab right here. And then once our school store gets open, there's actually some really exciting things coming as far as the whole school goes. So you would enter that through here. And so you can actually make purchases on your phone, and it automatically deducts your points from you. So that's pretty cool. So we just wanted you to be able to get into the app before you leave for fall break and be able to see your point balance. And if your balance is not where you want it to be, just make sure that you are showing those school-wide expectations wherever you're going. Your DARE, determined, accountable, respectful, and showing excellence. So you can earn lots of points to buy lots of items. So that is how you download the PBIS Rewards app. I wanted to show you real quick, if you do not have access to the app, you can actually log into any computer. All you need is your ID number, which is like your lunch number. So I'm going to actually show you the screenshot that I took. All right, so this is the screenshot that I took. So instead of having to show you or type it in or whatever, this is how you would access the app through any web browser. So you would type in this address, the https student.pbisrewards.com. So you would go to any computer, type in the web browser bar, and type in this web address, and it's going to tell you you're going to have to put in your student ID number for this website, which is your lunch number, and then of course you're going to go ahead and select your school, which is McClure, and then you're going to enter your first and last initial followed by your student ID and click view points. I have not tried this as far as a student goes, so if you have any questions or concerns, just ask your teachers and they will figure it out. But we wanted you to have an option just in case you didn't have an app available for you. So there you go, and we'll put this on the school website so you can see it if you ever need to get back to it. So I hope you guys enjoy your fall break and download your app, go through your web browser, see how many points you have, and continue to just dare to dream. Success awaits.